My name is Tanveer Muhammad Masood, and in this YouTube video I'll be talking again on certain amendments and changes as well as modifications that have been brought about by the Companies Act of 2013 and how different it is from the Companies Act of 1956 and the various ways and various method by which this Companies Act of 2013 is going to impact the working of any organization. So, in the very first instance, what we notice is the fact that when a company is formed and incorporated, the first and foremost thing that needs to be done are the incorporation formalities. For example, the creation of the Memorandum of Association of the company. Now, when we talk about the creation of or incorporation of the Memorandum of Association of any company, there needs to be certain adherence to certain rules and regulations, and these rules and regulations have been modified a bit by the Companies Act of 2013. Now, when a company intends to alter the Memorandum of Association of the company, as per the Companies Act of 1956, a special resolution at the board meeting or at the general meeting was sufficient enough to alter the articles after giving due notices to all the concerned directors and members. Now, as per the Companies Act of 2013, things are quite different. Directors or the members cannot go on to alter the Memorandum of Association of the company, cannot change the objectives and the constitution of the company unless it is in regards to the welfare and interest of its subsidiary or ancillary or auxiliary body of the company. Unless it concerns and unless it is inconsistent to the interest and welfare of the company, of the ancillary body of the company, or the subsidiary of the company, it cannot be altered, this Memorandum of Association. Again, when it comes to the alteration of articles of association of the company, it can basically be altered by virtue of Section 2013, but then there is this concept of entrenchment that has been introduced. It cannot be altered unless due regard is given to the concept of entrenchment. Entrenchment basically means those set of rules and regulations, those set of adherences that are basically mandatory for altering or for changing any part of the internal affair of any organization. This is what entrenchment is all about, and this concept has basically replaced the concept of alteration of articles of association of the company. Due regards needs to be given to entrenchment before altering. Now, there is another